Hey, in today's video I'm going to show you 5 fatal mistakes that all new crypto investors make. Because if you are just getting into crypto, there's very high chance that you'll fall into the same traps that have wrecked countless beginners before you. But I'm here to make sure that this doesn't happen to you. And without further ado, let's begin with the mistake number 1, which is sending money to wrong network or wallet address. And trust me when I say this, everyone will do it at least once in their life. Fortunately, it's irreversible. So once you send your crypto to the wrong address, it's completely gone. It's not like the bank where you can call the support and ask for the chargeback. It's impossible on the blockchain. And there are multiple different chains, so make sure you are sending the crypto to the correct network. You have to double check it every single time. And always send a tiny amount first to make sure that everything works correctly. You don't want to send 1000 USDT to a wrong address. Just send $1 and see if it lands in the correct wallet. Mistake number 2, day trading without experience in crypto. Because even if you have some experience trading Forex, for example, crypto is completely different game. It's very high risk for beginners because you have to understand the charts, market psychology and timing. However, with crypto it's extra difficult because it's high risk asset, so all the candlestick patterns, your support and resistance may not work at all. And statistically 90% of traders lose money, usually due to emotions or market volatility, which in crypto is very volatile. And if you're just starting out, long-term holding may be way easier for you, once you find a good project, of course. Mistake number 3, lack of security, which is a huge problem with beginners. First things first, we have a saying in crypto: not your keys, not your crypto. Keeping your cryptocurrency on exchanges is very risky, because if the exchange gets hacked or goes bankrupt, you will lose everything. So always keep your crypto on your own software or hardware wallet. There's been countless instances where crypto exchanges were hacked. And as you can see, the amounts that were stolen were in hundreds of millions. So if you were a client of such exchange, you would get absolutely wrecked. Most of these people didn't get their money back, or they had to wait multiple years to get compensated. So to stay safe, always withdraw your crypto and only use the exchanges to buy and sell them. And for trading, of course, but as we discussed previously, if you are a complete beginner, you shouldn't be focused on trading. And make sure that you use hardware wallets like Ledger, Trezor, SafePal, or any other hardware wallet provider, because they add an extra layer of security for your crypto, and they're a must-have if you have any significant amount of money in crypto. Because with hardware wallets, to confirm the transactions, you have to have this device with you. So it's way harder for any hacker to get your crypto. And with software wallets, your phone or PC may get hacked and you may lose all your crypto. Always make sure that you buy the hardware wallet from the official website and never buy used wallet, because it could be tampered and somebody could install some malware on it and steal your crypto. Even if there is an official reseller of any hardware wallet, I would still strongly advise you to buy a hardware wallet from the official seller, just to be 100% secure. And beware of scams. We are in crypto, so there are tons and tons of scams, from phishing links to giveaway scams, impersonators, malware, etc. I made a dedicated video about various crypto scams and how to avoid them, and see it in the card right now. So I highly suggest you to check it out once you finish this video. Number 4, fear of missing out. So if you are chasing the pump, you will end up buying the top and most likely selling at the bottom. It happens every single time in every single bull run. People are coming in to buy some crypto, get rich quick because they see everybody else get rich. However, they just get wrecked. And make sure that you do your own research every time before you even plan to buy something. And don't follow the hype, make sure that you understand the project and make sure that you are not spending the money that you don't want to lose. And after every sharp increase in the price, there is a pullback. So you have to keep an eye out for it and you can use it to find your entry point. Because if you have a chart and it decides to go completely up, then there's always the same situation. The price is going to get back down. And after that, it may go even higher if we have an uptrend or there's a lot of buy volume, etc. Just an example. However, you will never see the chart that is going always straight up. There will always be a pullback. So you have to keep an eye out for that. And mistake number 5, which is probably the most common, and that's investing money that you completely cannot afford to lose. And this is huge problem with many beginners, and you'll be emotionally attached to your investments and it will lead to poor decision making. And trust me on this, many people got wrecked because they bought the coin, they see the price is going down, they panic sell it, and after a few days this coin makes 20x. And if these people invested smaller amount that they could actually lose, they wouldn't sell at the loss because they wouldn't try to preserve their capital, they would just wait and get the 20x. Obviously it's not a rule, but it could happen. And always make sure that you don't go all in on one single coin. Even if it's completely safe bet, you should always diversify your portfolio. Set a budget for different investing strategies. For example, long-term holds, short-term holds, meme coins, or any digital plays. It will help you stay organized and make sure that you don't overspend on one type of investment. So just to recap, there are a lot of mistakes that newcomer to crypto can make, and after watching this video I'm pretty sure that you will be safe and you will make good decisions with your money. Because you probably got into crypto because of the money and your goal is to make more money than you invested. So if you actually want to do that, make sure that you stay aware and don't commit the mistakes I presented to you in this video. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something today. If you like content like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more. I will see you in the next one. Peace.